Hey everybody, Justin Caparuso with the Roseville City School District Foundation, and we are excited to bring you Digital Days. It's our new virtual platform where we're going to be introducing you to local businesses and providing great content each week, Thursdays at 4 o'clock, for your kids and your families to enjoy. For our first week, we're joined with Donna Sanguin from Recreate. Donna, thanks for joining us and being our first guest for our Digital Days campaign.
Thank you so much. Recreate is a local nonprofit here in Roseville, and we bring hands-on learning into schools during normal times. So for us to be able to provide some opportunities for kids to do some learning and experimentation at home with some supplies that they can find around the house is just great.
That's awesome, Donna. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what we're going to be doing on Thursday?
Absolutely. So the first week, we are going to do something called a cardboard automata. If you've ever seen a contraption where the top spins around or goes up and down and it's got cams and levers on the bottom, that's what we're going to do. And so we'll be teaching a little bit about engineering, we'll be building, and these are super fun. They're focused for kind of grades, 3rd or 4th grade up through middle school. And even as an adult, I think these are super fun to make.
That's great. So a little bit about Digital Days too, and you're going to be, like I said, our first guest. We are really looking forward to launching this throughout the summer for, Thursdays at 4 o'clock, and it is these virtual tutorials. They're 10 minutes to 30 minutes long, and they're really trying to bring everybody in the community together during this digital virtual age that we see ourselves in right now. What are some of the things that people need? It's difficult to get out to stores right now. So what are families going to need that are going to participate in this event on Thursday?
Absolutely. So I do have a list that we will post, but just to give you an idea of some of the things you need a cardboard box that you have laying around the house. Anything from as small as this to the size of a smaller Amazon box, the ones that are maybe 6 by 12 inches, those would work.
Yeah.
Something around that size. You can go with a box that holds cards as well. Some type of foam works out for building your cams, but you really don't have to go out and buy anything. You can find stuff from packing material as well. You need a couple of skewers. These are things that people might not have. And so we do have a whole bunch of these at Recreate. If anyone wants to come by, we're happy to provide them curbside at no cost. And then just you need adhesives, so either masking tape and duct tape, or if you have a hot glue gun and you're able to use that, that's great. Just be safe. Some foam and other craft supplies are great. Whatever you want to do to decorate it is fine. Even use like little toys that you have left over, but really work with what you have around the house. Probably the only thing you might have a hard time with are the skewers, and you do also need at least one straw to make this. And then you can use washers if things are out of balance, but you can also use a penny. I've done that in the past. So you have to go to the store at all to do this, and it's a super fun project.
That's awesome. And so for those skewers, I imagine, can you use chopsticks if you've got those around the house?
You could. The only thing is you need to make sure that you have a sharp pencil to put the hole through ahead of time. If you have a skewer or even a skinny dowel, those work great. Skewers are great because they have the point on the end, so you don't need another thing. But again, yeah, you can use a skinny dowel or a chopstick if you have that around the house.
Donna, what's the email address and phone number for Recreate so that those who, may need to come pick up some supplies know where to go and how to get a hold of you?
Absolutely. So you can email us at info, at recreate.org, or you can call. We're open Wednesday and Thursday before the live cast. So from 10 a.m. until 3. And our phone number here is 916-749-3717. And I'll also go onto our website and put a link so that they can just click on that. So just go to recreate.org and they should see it up in the banner on the front of the top page.
That's fantastic. Thanks so much, Donna. We're looking forward to Thursday.
We are too.